Hey my friend, fellow traders, Will here over to XAUUSD.com and welcome to the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel just before we start here for more great trading opportunities like the one I'm about to show you today, which is on gold. Okay, so this week I'm building a short bias on gold, and in this video I'm going to show you why I'm looking to sell gold this week. Okay, so a lot of people will be going, gold's very bullish at the minute, and it is. But what I'm going to show you in this video is how to profit from the retracement that should be about to happen this week. Okay, so what I'm using here is my MacBot system and my two divergence indicators, the FXAUUSD MACD divergence and the FXAUUSD RSI divergence, also with the price zone analyzer pro here, which we've got the boundary areas here and we've got trading zones here. So basically I'll explain my strategy here. I'm looking to, on the higher time frames, sell or buy in these rectangle areas that are identified by my price zone analyzer indicator. Okay, and we're looking to trade extremes on these and divergence signals. Okay, so the extremes on the RSI is the 80 and 20. Okay, so I'm looking for price to go in, either hit the 80 or go above the 80 on either the monthly, weekly or daily charts. And on the MACD divergence, we're looking for divergence signals. Also with the bands, I like when price goes outside the upper band area or the lower band area. Okay, so they are really extremes, and anytime it hits those areas, it does come back down in. Okay, so you see since 2013 gold has kind of been trading in this kind of range here, and we'll zoom down to the weekly. It's a weekly area identified by my indicator, okay, the price zone analyzer. Okay, you can see it's analyzed this possible sell zone here, and you can see every time it touches it, it kind of takes a run back down inside the range, and this has been happening since 2013. Okay, the first touch was in 2014, and it comes back up, always comes back up and tests it. Okay, we did get a lot of bullish action last week, basically because of the Fed, and usually when the dollar goes down, people flock to invest in gold and other safe haven assets. Okay, so see here, gold, we're in this weekly area here. Now we're looking for extreme areas. You see on the weekly chart, we're actually outside this band area at the second band area on the extreme. So that's one of the biases telling me we're going to get a sell signal here. Now, also on the daily, see where I've got this daily area inside the weekly, which is kind of come up and tested. Where if you look at the RSI divergence, we're actually sitting at 85, so really at the top, very overbought at the minute, and we're actually hitting the 80 line on the weekly charts also. Okay, so what we're looking for now is the divergence signal either on the 4-hour, 1-hour, and if that's happening, we're going to enter a trade on this. This is a nice selling signal. Okay, and we're going to look at targets also for this. We use Fibonacci for our targets, Fibonacci and previous highs and lows that have been taken out on the way up. Okay, so if you look at the 4-hour chart, we're actually getting rejection here. Okay, so we've had this huge rally up, we've had change of character here in this kind of trend here, hits the top, then price comes up, tries to take out this high here. It fails on Friday to take out this high, and today it's been popping back down. Okay, if you look at the RSI divergence indicator, we're actually getting a divergence signal here. Basically price is trying to move higher, but the indicator's moving lower, so we're getting a nice divergence signal here at the 80 line. Okay, so it's a powerful signal. MACD divergence hasn't kind of, on the 4-hour charts, hasn't kind of given us a signal yet. Now let's zoom into the 4-hour charts. Okay, so we're getting lots of divergence signals here, lots of selling signals telling us that this is a good selling opportunity where we are now. Okay, so it's a good one to enter now if you're watching this video at around 1400. Okay, we're getting nice selling signals there. Okay, so stop loss, you can either put it above, so you can either be an aggressive one and put it above the daily zone here at 1436, or above the weekly. Now you can see this weekly would possibly be the better target. Okay, around 14.45. Put it slightly above the area, about $10 above it. Okay, so about 14.45. Okay, so targets in this now, like I said, if it's been ranging from here since 2013, first possible easy target would be the opposing zone that caused this high up. Okay, so you can see this price area here that caused this rally up into this weekly area again. Now that's a 12.85. Okay, so that would be a nice area, and it's untested also if price rejects this, which I'm kind of liking it well, coming in here, and I move back down once it confirms it down to 12.85. Now what I look for also is a first easy target where it takes some profit off, and that would kind of be the last high in corporate with a Fibonacci. Okay, that was taken out, and you can see it here. Okay, you can see this high here was taken out on the way up, and it's sitting from this leg up at a 50% Fibonacci line. Okay, so this would be my first easy target for this trade, around 13.42. Okay, so price starting to get rejected here, and you should see a fall over the next week or so down to around 13.42. Now if this high holds, this could be, we'll have to study price action around this area. If this holds, we start getting buy signals. It could be a sell signal, a nice buy signal to move up higher towards these higher targets up here. Okay, but at the minute we're looking nice selling opportunity at the minute, and run it down to 13.50, 13.40. Okay, this here gets blown out, this high gets taken out, expect to come down to 12.85. Okay, so what I'd do, I'd actually take some profit. It comes down here, I'd actually take 60% of the profit off at this area, and then I'd let it drop down towards the 12.85 and see how it reacts at this weekly zone here, because that's the next weekly zone. Okay, the higher time frame targets are the better targets, and the better areas to be getting in and out of the market. Okay, so hope this helps selling gold. Hope it's a good signal for you. Hope you make some money on the trade. If you have any questions, let me know at will@xaus.com or comment below, and share this video with your friends if you want to make some money on trading gold. I have released my weekly signal service, which you can find out more information about in the link in the description of the video. So hope it helps. Happy trading and have a great week. will@xaus.com.